Did you know that it's been 20 years since SpaceX came into existence? Discover how SpaceX developed from a hobby of a propulsion engineer to an industry behemoth that competes national space agencies. Today, we have another fascinating video for you in which we will look back at SpaceX's significant accomplishments over the last 2 decades. So hello and welcome to our channel, and stay with us to the end of the video. SpaceX, based in Hawthorne, California, is now valued at $74 billion and controls more than 60% of the $3.6 billion worldwide commercial satellite launch industry. SpaceX is celebrating 2 decades worth of cosmic travel today, and to honor the event, creator Elon Musk prepared a video montage highlighting the company's biggest achievements. He wrote on Twitter, "Congratulations, SpaceX team, for all that you have accomplished." So, what has Elon Musk's SpaceX accomplished over the last 2 decades? Let us break it down for you. NASA granted SpaceX a Commercial Orbital Transportation Services (COTS) contract in 2006, requiring the business to show cargo delivery capabilities to the ISS, as well as a contract option for human transport. Following several failed launches in 2006 and 2008, SpaceX successfully launched their Falcon 1 launch vehicle on September 28, 2008, becoming the first privately manufactured liquid-fueled rocket to reach space and entering Earth's orbit. It was also the first of its kind to launch a commercial satellite into orbit in July 2009, when it launched the Malaysian spacecraft Razaksat. Did you know that SpaceX's Dragon reusable spaceship conducted 2 successful flights in December 2010, completing all mission goals of COTS Demo Flight 1? As a result, SpaceX became the first private corporation to successfully launch, orbit, and retrieve a spacecraft. If you are with us up to this point in the video, please take a second and hit the bell icon by subscribing to our channel so you don't miss our new videos. Coming back to the achievements, the Dragon C2 Plus became the first privately made spacecraft to transport goods to the International Space Station (ISS) in May 2012. The same year, SpaceX began prototyping the Falcon 9, a reusable heavy-lift launch vehicle. In January 2015, the business launched the construction of its Starlink service, promising to bring high-speed, low-latency broadband internet to consumers across terrains. In 2015, one of SpaceX's most significant mishaps occurred when a Falcon 9 rocket exploded barely 2 minutes after launch. It did, however, make its first successful sea landing in December 2015 with Falcon 9 Flight 20. The Falcon 9 rocket successfully launched 11 communication satellites into orbit before returning to its landing zone. That was the first orbital rocket landing in history. SpaceX completed Falcon Heavy test flights in February 2018, propelling Elon Musk's Tesla Roadster into orbit with a mannequin wearing a spacesuit seated in the front. It was the first private spacecraft to enter heliocentric orbit. SpaceX launched a constellation of 60 Starlink satellites on a Falcon 9 rocket in May 2019. After successfully sending 2 NASA astronauts into orbit on a Crew Dragon spacecraft in May 2020, creating history, SpaceX became the first commercial corporation to deliver humans to the International Space Station. It set the record for the most satellites flown in a single flight in 2021, when it launched 143 satellites on a Falcon 1 in January. On May 5, 2021, the company successfully launched and landed a prototype of their Starship rocket, which is built as a reusable transportation system capable of transporting personnel and cargo to Earth's orbit, the Moon, and Mars. SpaceX launched the Inspiration 4 mission in September 2021, successfully completing the first orbital spaceflight mission with solely private people on board. The spacecraft was also the first to orbit without a prior crew member since the Chinese spacecraft Shenzhou 7 in 2008. SpaceX provided training to all flight crew members. SpaceX is already making moves for 2022, including the launch of the first Axiom space mission AX-1 to the International Space Station and the continued development of its Human Landing System contract in support of the Artemis human moon landing project. Last month, SpaceX demonstrated its support for Ukraine by providing the whole country with its Starlink internet service. That's all for today's video. Let us know more in the comments below. Thanks for watching.